That's better. Hi, Michael. Are you waiting for Santa?
Rich forgot it.
Try my coat. Try my coat.
I think! Hi!
Andy, I think it's going to come back in.
Okay.
Nah.
Right back to Sarah. Okay. He'll be right back. Okay? He'll be right back.
Brandon.
Here.
What do you think, Brandon?
No, you didn't. I missed Santa.
Yeah?
Right with their coat. Go get it. Come on.
Hi, Nick.
Run.
Nick, where's Santa? Where is he, Nick?
Go get it. Hurry. Run.
Is he going to come back?
Yeah, he said I'll be right back. Oh, you're in. Run, Daddy, run.
I'm sorry.
That is so bright.
Uh-oh. Let's move over.
Any idea how bright that light is?
How about...
Jose and Richie eating their turkey in their hands.
No, this is bread.
Oh, bread. Okay.
Oh.
Yay! We've been waiting for this for so long, huh, Brandon?
Yeah.
Here he comes, Mike.
Here he comes.
In the fire truck, too. Come here. In here.
Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Yay! Yay!
Thank you.
Hi, Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Hi, Santa. Yay! Hey, Santa. Merry Christmas, Santa. Okay, bye-bye.
Ah, jeez.
Wow, Brandon, you got lucky socks! Yes! Lucky socks is the best!
Yeah. Look at your son.
Right there, got it. Oh, Lord! Wow!
I said chocolate
All of a
chip
sudden,
cookie.
I turned around and he had chocolate chips in his mouth and nose and clothes and everywhere else. This is for you.
Richie. He enjoyed
Hey, can you watch your own? You can participate. Wake up, Daddy! Don't wake Daddy!
Yeah, don't wait, Daddy.
Wow, you got Daddy! Brandon, this is for you. All right.
I got some books.
Let me see your book. This is my Who got this? Let's see, Michael. Who's this for? Gina, who's the penguin? Gina, who's this for? Very nice. Michael. Michael, this is for you.
Mommy.
Labels Michael. Whoa! Oh, all the wild things. That's a good one.
Did you have that?
No.
Oh, good.
I figured that one's for Nick. Oh,
For Nicholas?
and that one's for Brandon.
my present?
Hey, settle down.
Did you open the present, Rich?
Brandon, you don't ask like that. That's not nice.
There's a book.
Where's Richie's?
Something just went off in the kitchen.
Something went off.
Yeah, there's cookies in the oven. Take them out.
All right.
Michael, this is for you, honey.
Whoa!
Already bilingual.
Oh, man, work.
Let me see, Mike.
Jacob. Whoa, what's this from? Wow, what's that? Brandon? Wow.
This is for Michael.
Let's go, Rich.
Oh, and Uno tobacco. Whoa! Holy schmoly! Mama shop!
Hook this up.
My goodness. Whoa, cool, man. Who did this? Nice. Who's that from, Rich?
Gina, who did this? That's for me.
Okay, the little one's
You
for
like that?
Chrissy,
This is
and the big one's for Rich. E. So,
This is your Pollyanna.
oh, thank you, Gina. You're welcome.
Michael, what'd you get, bud?
Right here, look, right there on the chair next to mommy.
Let me see.
No, honey, Nicholas.
No, let me see.
You're all done. You are all done.
Nick, here's your present.
That's your toy.
Here you go, Nick.
Hey, do you want me to take the baby?
Oh,
Yeah,
I
can
like
you?
that. I was like,
Thank you.
How are you doing, Bobby?
See, I told you. Did I tell you? And that's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your Pollyanna is right here. Oh, Leah, you had Gina?
I'm not opening,
And it all comes out.
not now. Don't worry about opening it. We'll open it.
Oh!
We got a lot of stuff going on there.
Look at that. Oh, cool. Thank you, Gina. Cool. Right, Gina? Yeah. Thank you. There. What did you get? Charms. I'll bet you already have it. I have that. And you know what's really cool about that? It could be a C or it could be a U. Cool.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome. He said bunch. Hey.
Hey, Brandon, do you want to help mommy open up Jake's presents? Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute. I'm going to let Jake open them. Jake's going to open? Uh-huh.
How's that gonna happen?
Hell yeah.
He's going to do it. He can. Put him on the floor and sit him up.
I thought
Sorry.
Yeah, he does, right here.
Thank you,
Okay,
Leah.
pass it over.
No problem. I couldn't find. I was going to get you a
Bring it on.
I didn't know how big you wanted it.
sorry,
Like, I was thinking like that. Like that. Yeah. I didn't know. So I was like, you know what? I know they have things. I know they have coupons. I know, you know.
Let Dylan open it. Hold on, Jake. It's a Jake. Let Dylan open it.
You're going to want to take it home. Let Jake open one. I got to get
This is like close, so she won't want it in.
I love her, Ryan.
I would just let her.
Here, I don't know what colors you want. It's for,
Put that stuff out there by the crate. You're in the way, bud. Coming through.
I want to try it.
Yeah.
Be careful opening it, you'll cut yourself.
That's for Nicholas, too.
Oh, heavy. Yeah. Wow, Mel, these are cool.
Nicholas, his first present. That's his very first present. Nicholas.
There you go. Jake's first present.
Cute. Oh, let me say. Wait, the picture's, look at her hug. Papers in space. This is his first one. They're all in space.
Do you like that, Brandon?
You can't really see
like
anything.
that?
You can do it.
Yeah?
Hold on. I was hoping you would.
Mommy.
Ryan, the pictures again, the papers again on his face. I'm gonna find one.
Oh,
His face on his face.
Gina, he opened it.
Is that good?
No, not yet.
There you go.
No, I'm talking about Nicholas.
So I have a couple.
Here. I got it. All right. There you go. Look, you got your first fucking book.
Dylan.
Dr. Seuss. The foot book and the English book.
And those are a whole bunch of
You
those.
got
I
it.
know. I just thought you're gonna love that. They're like beginning readers, but
You got a foot book and the ABC book.
no, hardback. Okay, this is
And you want to eat it, don't you? Yep, you want to eat
Did
it.
you say thank you?
Who are these from, Jake?
Oh, I don't know.
Honey, that's
What
mine.
is it? Brandon.
Thank you.
Oh,
Nice.
Brandon. That's okay. No.
You want? How about this one? Want to open this one? This is the
Yeah, we
big one.
know the kids don't need
Here, grab
clothes or toys. So
Grab this. Ready?
Oh, Brandon, you keep
Pull.
putting it right in front of his face.
Oh, I'm letting the boy enjoy it.
Brandon had it. I didn't know what to get. Those the pictures look like he enjoyed it.
You
I'm sure I'll get tons of them anyway.
Grab this. Grab this. Grab it. Grab it. Grab that. There you go. And I want to eat the wrapping paper too. You know, this isn't food.
Yes, thank you very much.
Better than me trying to figure out what you might want.
There you go. Grab it. Grab it. Oh my goodness.
You like that door? I'm glad you did.
You do. I got two of them.
He's like, I'm gonna eat this shit. I swear. Here you go. Yay! Good job.
What is it?
Blogger,
Alright, open it up.
karate,
Check it out.
some military camp.
Is this for Jake?
Yep.
Cute.
All you do is, I would say it's not like,
Pull it.
these are
Who is this from?
and somebody at work.
Really
Oh,
cute.
yeah,
Do you like that? Is it the right size? Because I was not sure. What size is it? I don't know. That's my key. But it was the same size. 12 months. 6 to 9 months.
No, is that okay? Joystick.
It's okay. It looks a little bit. It looks big. It does look
Wow, good job. You're rocking
Get Michael in here. Hey, Mike.
Gina.
What? I figured the pajamas. You know how perfect this is.
Here, Jake.
I have two matching pajamas for Brandon and Nick. And they're the same color.
Get your dad in here.
Oh, good.
There's your dad.
That is very cool because now they still match. They probably the same size. This kind of, or in Jake's size. They only came in Nick's brand. You just put it in.
Cut. But you can't eat it.
That's very cute. Thank
You
you.
can't eat it.
Yeah, that was big.
I know you're excited.
That's what I thought.
You're excited because it's your very first Christmas.
So I was like, he's gonna be able to.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it.
Thank you.
You can't eat it.
I know. No problem. I didn't know what to get him at all. I was like, when I get him, I don't know what to do. I don't really want to get him clothes. You should see me in the store. I got two. Luckily, it's what do I do? I said,
Good job, Jake.
I don't know.
You are a
Like
pro.
Lady Einstein or.
You're a pro.
Sorry. He's gonna love that color. He doesn't really know what it is, but.
Uh-oh. Why did you do that?
I did it.
What are you doing?
I turned up to walk.
You know what it's doing.
Nick, say thank you, everybody. Yay! Good boy. That was cute.
Does Mommy have another baby?
Thank you, everybody.
Oh, look.
This is Jake.
There's all kinds of
You're
stuff.
gonna
Yeah.
love it.
That's
Yeah,
very good,
your
Mike.
stuff.
Hey, Mike,
That is awesome. That dessert.
good job.
You like it?
How's that?